Hi class! Today I'm going to show you how to build a heart pump model. So first, what you need is a bottle of water. Okay, preferably one you can squeeze, some red coloring, a rubber band, some sticky tape, a scissors to cut, 2 bendy straws, 1 balloon, and a skewer. Okay, so first thing that you need to do is to cut the balloon. Okay, so be very careful with the scissors and cut the balloon at the neck here, like this. Okay, keep the neck of the balloon, we are going to need it later. Okay, and then put this balloon one side. Next, we're going to add some red coloring to the water. Just a little bit of coloring will do. Okay, and then shake it so you get red colored water. What do you think this looks like? Blood? You are right. So next, we are going to uncap the bottle. Using the balloon, wrap it around the opening of the bottle. Okay, like this. So next, use the skewer. Okay, make a hole in the rubber. Okay, at one end of the opening, like this. Poke the skewer through. Next, cut the straw at an angle, like that. Okay, to create a sharp end. Okay, this sharp tip will allow you to poke your straw through the small hole that you have created just now. So your straw can go through the balloon, like this. After I am done, I'm going to take out the straw and the balloon. Okay, put this one side first, and I'm going to cap the bottle of water so that I do not spill it. I'm going to cut some tape. Cut about this much. Okay. See the neck of the balloon? This is the cut end, and this is the end where you blow. Put the straw through the end where it's cut. Okay, can you see? Put it in about half an inch. Okay, next, roll it up. Okay, then use the tape to tape the balloon to the straw firmly. Okay, so can you see? Take the end of the straw with the balloon neck and put it into the bottle. Okay, open up the balloon and same as just now, wrap it around the opening of the bottle. Be very careful not to spill any water here. Okay, make sure to tighten the balloon around the opening of the bottle and put the rubber band around the bottle, like this. Pull the balloon to make sure that it's firmly wrapped around the bottle opening. Make sure that the straw is also at one corner of the bottle opening. Now you use the skewer and make another hole opposite the yellow straw at the opposite end, almost about 1 inch apart. Okay, poke it through. Next, take your second straw, same thing, cut it at an angle. Okay, and then the sharp end here will allow you to put the straw through the balloon, like this. Isn't it easy? And we are done. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have fun making the heart pump model. Bye!